Hello guys, in today's video take a look at the CUBOT's new flagship grade rugged smartphone that raised the standards of durability and performance and was created for those looking for strength and resistance in one device. Brings ultimate power with a huge long-lasting 10,200 mAh battery, features a luxurious 6.72-inch 144Hz refresh rate display, 100 megapixel camera, offers even two screens with a smaller on the back, all powered by the excellent Dimensity 8200 5G processor, and with up to 24GB of RAM. CUBOT now offers the ultimate rugged phone on the market, the only phone you will need, so be sure to find out more and watch this KingKong X Pro video review. Opening the box of the KingKong X Pro feels like opening a digital survival kit. In the box you will find everything you need right from the start. Additional screen protector. I must mention that the phone is already factory installed with protection. Powerful 32-watt fast charger. USB-C cable. SIM tray tool. Quick start guide and the basic documentation. And that's it. CUBOT has ensured that you have all the necessary accessories for the adventure without additional purchases. The phone itself immediately attracts attention. It's robust with the rubber texture that not only provide the better grip but also give the impression of a solidity and durability. The phone offers a distinctive and modern rugged design that blends functionality with the techno-futuristic aesthetics. Constructed from a mix of metal TPU and polycarbonate, the materials create a design that's appealing as it's practical, not only improve grip but add the device's sturdy appearance. The KingKong X Pro feels solid and robust in the hand, exuding quality and resilience. In the side steel frame on the right side we find the three buttons. Two of those buttons are used to adjust the volume, while the third button serves as both the power switch and the fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you'll find the SIM microSD tray supporting dual 5G connectivity with 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with capacity of up to 1 TB. Here we also have this small orange programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions within phone or install applications and brings three programmed functions. Can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. At the bottom of the phone we have the USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's 100% waterproof rating. The front of the KingKong X Pro is dominated by the large and luxurious 6.72-inch display with the reasonably thick bezels for protection. As usual, the display casing protrudes a bit from the glass surface to provide additional protection should the device drop flat on the screen. V-shaped notch with the option to be hidden houses the excellent 32-megapixel Sony IMX616 selfie camera with the face unlock option that will perfectly handle all your selfies and video calls, all in Full HD 1080 pixel resolution. The light and proximity sensor together with LED notification are placed to the right of the camera in the top bezel. As we already know, KingKong X Pro is adored with the luxurious 6.72-inch 2K display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and the ultra-fast refresh rate of 144Hz as we only see on the high-end flagship phones. Of course, Corning Gorilla Glass protects the screen, which delivers even 1500 nits of peak brightness. For the display settings you can set a refresh rate at 60Hz, 90Hz and 144Hz. There is also an option for auto refresh rate. The device changes it depending on the content display to optimize battery life. The KingKong X Pro displays delivers a rich and vibrant screen boasting a wide range of colors and ensuring exceptional visual quality and usability with a 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone screen truly shines, stand out to some of the best in the market with its ultra-fast 144 Hz refresh rate. It delivers fluid scrolling and ultra-responsive touch, making it ideal for gaming, browsing and streaming. This refresh rate enhances every swipe, click and animation, allowing for a seamless and immersive experience that elevates your enjoyment of multimedia content. CUBOT is known for its innovation, so this time is added a small additional screen on the back of the phone. It's a 1.85-inch OLED screen that can also function as a viewfinder for selfies using the main camera, providing a versatile tool for photography enthusiasts. Its touchscreen capability opens up further possibilities such as music controls, battery status, and pedometer indicator. You can see missed calls and messages, adding to the phone's overall usability and appeal. You also have the option to change different watch faces, and when you get bored of the current one, you even have the option to put together your own watch face if you wish. Around the screen frame you can see triple camera lenses and one LED flash. The main one uses a 100 megapixel OmniVision sensor with the Ultra HD photography option that gives excellent results, and is also capable of recording videos at max 4K resolution at a 30 fps. With impressive electronic video stabilization, I was really surprised by the excellent results of this camera. It's joined by the equidistant 5 megapixel OmniVision macro lens with autofocus and 0.3 megapixel depth sensor. The camera app used on the KingKong X Pro is very user-friendly and easy to work with, especially when you can quickly access the settings without switching to a different screen. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our KingKong X Pro, so let's take a look. This impressive phone is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor manufactured in a 4nm technology, which makes it a real miracle and performance. With 3.1 GHz and support for HyperEngine 6.0, every task, games or demanding multitasking is performed with incredible ease. Paired with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which can be virtually expanded by additional 12GB, the KingKong X Pro offers 24GB of memory for ultra smooth experience, perfect for gaming, multitasking and heavy-duty applications. In terms of memory, the KingKong does not disappoint with 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage expandable by additional 1TB via microSD card. You have ample room for all your files, games and media. Dedicated liquid cooling technology keeps the Dimensity 8200 running smoothly even during intensive gaming seasons, ensuring that high-performance gaming is fluid and responsible. This is without a doubt a gaming-friendly phone that combines power, space and cooling all packed in one impressive rugged smartphone. And also ultra powerful in terms of battery life. The CUBOT KingKong X Pro boasts a huge 10,200 mAh battery designed to handle even the most demanding days with ease. And when it's time to recharge, 33W fast charging ensures you're quickly back up and running. Whether you are navigating through a busy day, streaming media or diving into gaming seasons, the battery life minimizes downtime, keeping you connected with up to 1,251 hours of standby. It offers reliability and endurance whenever you need it. Equipped with the latest Android 14, providing you with a clean and bloatware-free experience, and comes equipped with all Google applications and its integrated features. Furthermore, it boasts several practical pre-installed apps, including a System Manager Optimizer and versatile toolbox, which can provide indispensable in various field scenarios. Of course, it supports global 5G connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast internet speed, smoother streaming and faster data downloads. The phone also offers impressive wireless connectivity options. It's equipped with Wi-Fi 6 with the latest Wi-Fi standards, which provides faster speeds, better signal coverage and improved battery life, so you can enjoy lag-free online gaming. Navigation is a crucial feature for outdoor adventures, and the KingKong X Pro has you covered. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou are support for navigation, meaning you will always have accurate data whether you are in urban areas or in the wild. Additionally, including NFC, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, it further supports the latest connectivity options, ensuring robust and reliable communication and data transfer capabilities. The CUBOT KingKong X Pro is the ultimate rugged smartphone, meticulously designed to exceed the highest durability standards with no compromise. Its tough exterior, reinforced structure and MIL-STD810H certifications enable it to withstand impacts from multiple angles, including drops on all faces, angles and corners, achieving both IP68 and IP69K protection levels whether in extreme weather or rough terrains. The X Pro offers outstanding waterproof, dust-resistant and shock-resistant capabilities, making it an ideal choice for those who rely on their gear to endure the toughest situations. KingKong X Pro is ultimate rugged smartphone, combining unmatched durability with flagship-grade performance. With its Dimensity 8200 5G processor, up to 24GB RAM and stunning 144Hz refresh rate, a 6.72-inch display and a versatile 100-megapixel camera, it excels in both power and functionality. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, it's a reliable companion for any challenge. If you're ready to make the KingKong X Pro yours, check out the official purchase link below this video. Now's the perfect time to take advantage of a special promotion pricing, but act fast, limited quantities are available. Don't miss your chance to own this flagship rugged KingKong X Pro phone while it's still on offer. And that wraps up this review. We'll catch you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.